Thank you for choosing Phillips Chevrolet.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features, which include a power driver's seat, power windows, an anti-lock braking system, a stability control system, and this vehicle has just over 105,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, creates ample amounts of power whether you're towing or just driving around. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Phillips Chevrolet is located at 33 West Lincoln Highway between Route 30 and 45 in Frankfort, Illinois.